Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the physical fit and cleanliness. This prevents slippage from debris or wrong tips. Remove both tips, wipe the meshes and housings, and reattach securely. Once done, put the earpiece in and run the ear tip fit test. This tells you if the seal is correct. Make sure to try the small, medium, and large tips. The right seal creates passive retention, so don't guess. If you feel movement, switch sizes until the test shows a good seal. Now you refine how the AirPod sits, because angle and stabilizers change retention more than force. Insert, then gently twist down and back. This engages the ear's concha and reduces outward pull. If the silicone tip still slips, swap to memory foam tips. They compress, expand, and grip better. Once you add a stabilizer or foam, test with mild head movements. Make sure to rerun the fit test after any tip or position change, since the acoustic finish by validating retention under motion, because static comfort doesn't guarantee hold. You should walk, jog slowly, and turn your head for a full minute to see if either bud shifts. If they stay put, you're done. If they still fall, add soft ear hooks or a silicone sweatband, or consider custom ear molds from an audiologist for a permanent fix. Finally, if cleaning and tip changes don't help, make sure to contact Apple. There may be a hardware issue requiring service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.